Hello everyone, welcome to Sci-Ease. Now the last topic of this lesson, that is scattering of light, I am discussing in this video. What do you mean by scattering of light? When light falls on any suspended particles in the air, then it will scatter. It will go in different directions. That is scattering of light. This scattering of light was observed by one of the scientists, Tyndall. He observed that when the white light, that is, passed through the suspended particles in the liquid, the scattering of the light that takes place. So, and that effect, that is known as Tyndall effect. The scattering of the light by the particles in its path, that is the Tyndall effect. This you have read in 9th class also during when you read about the solutions, true solutions, colloid and suspensions. So, the Tyndall effect, that is the scattering of the light by the particles in its path. He observed that blue light has a shorter wavelength, so it can be scattered more easily. On the other hand, red light has a longer wavelength, so it is not scattered much. On the basis of this Tyndall effect, there are again reasoning questions. As on the basis of atmospheric refraction, I have told you 3 reasoning questions. Here also, on the basis of the scattering of the light, there are 2 reasoning questions that can be asked. The first question is why the sky is blue. The scattering of the blue component of the white sunlight by air molecules means nitrogen, oxygen molecules present in the atmosphere, causes the blue color of the sky. Why the sky appears? What's the reason behind it? How can you explain it? The sky appears blue because the molecules in the air, they will scatter the blue part of the sunlight much more than they scatter red light. The colored light, like the colored light which has longer wavelength, red, orange, yellow, they will go straight. Here, scattering that will take place only of that will be the blue part of the sunlight. That will be scattered much more. It will be scattered in all directions. So, whenever we see the sky, it appears blue to us. If there has been no atmosphere, means no air, then what will be the result? What will be the color of the sky then? Then the color of the sky, that will be dark or black. That is why astronauts, when they go in the outer region, outer space also, the blue color, that is not there. The outer color, outer part of the sky, or you can say the outer space, it appears dark or black to the astronauts because of this only. There the blue color does not reach. So, the very important question I have told you, why the sky is blue. Now the second reasoning question, That is why the sun appears red at sunrise and sunset. The sun appears red at sunrise and sunset because at that time, most of the blue color present in the sunlight has been scattered out and away from our line of sight, leaving behind mainly the red color in the direct sunlight beam that reaches our eye. Okay, so most of the blue light that will be scattered at sunrise and sunset, this you can see, and so the sun, it appears to be red. But at noon, there is less scattering of blue light, and all the colors, that is Vibgyor, all the 7 colors, they have equal proportion, so the sun appears white in color. White color, that is made up of 7 colors, and all the colors, they have equal proportion. So at noon, the distance here from the eye, that is less, so it appears to us as white. So 2 very important reasoning questions in all 5 reasoning questions I have told you. So you must prepare them. Don't go into so much of detail. Depending on the marks of the questions, you must write the answer. How much words or how many lines you are to write, that is mentioned. If it is 2-mark question or 3-mark question, depending on that, you should write the answer. So that's all with this chapter, Eye, Human Eye and the Colourful World. We started from the structure of human eye, then defects of human eye, then dispersion by glass prism, and then atmospheric refraction and scattering of light. Thank you.